In this lesson, we will learn about Python comments. Comments are an essential aspect of writing clear and maintainable code. We'll explore how to use both single-line and multi-line comments effectively. Comments are descriptive text added to the code to explain what the code does. Comments are very helpful for both developers and teams. For developers, comments help to explain complex code logic, document function purpose, outline code structure, and make future maintenance easier. For teams, comments help to share code understanding, facilitate collaboration, reduce onboarding time, and establish coding standards. Let's explore single-line comments in Python. The basic syntax for a single-line comment is that it always starts with the hash symbol. Python ignores everything after the hash symbol on that line. Here is an example, this is a single-line comment, and the next line is print within parenthesis double quotes hello world close parenthesis hash comment after code. Here are some best practices. Use single-line comments to explain why, not what. Here is an example, define a function calculate underscore area with a radius parameter. Use pi from math for precision, return 3.14 times radius. Here is an example of how to use single-line comments in the context of weather data processing. Weather data analysis script, process temperature records for city locations. Then define a function Celsius to Fahrenheit, with Celsius as a parameter. Standard temperature conversion formula. Return within parenthesis Celsius times 9/5 close parenthesis plus 32. Sample data for demonstration temperatures equals open square bracket 22 19 24 25 close square bracket. Convert all temperatures in format output. For temp and temperatures, Fahrenheit equals Celsius to Fahrenheit, with temp as a parameter. Print within parenthesis f-string open curly brace temp, close curly brace degree C equals open curly brace Fahrenheit :.1 F close curly brace degree F close parenthesis. Let's explore multi-line comments in Python. First, we can use the triple quote method. Use triple quotes for multi-line comments. Here is an example, triple quote, this is a multi-line comment. You can write as many lines as needed. Python will ignore this entire block, triple quote. Print within parenthesis double quotes hello world close double quotes close parenthesis. Another way to implement multi-line comments is to use multiple hash symbols. Or use multiple hash symbols for multi-line comments. Here is an example, first line of comment, second line of comment, third line of comment. Define a function, calculate underscore area, with radius as a parameter. Return 3.14 times radius. Let's discuss documentation strings or docstrings. These are documentation comments and follow the PEP 257 standard for Python documentation. Here's an example. Define a function calculate BMI, with weight and height as parameters. Open triple quotes, calculate body mass index or BMI. Parameters, weight in kilograms, height in meters. Returns, the calculated BMI value, close triple quotes. If height is less than or equal to 0, raise value error, height must be positive. Return weight divided by, open parenthesis, height times height, close parenthesis. Let's go over some best practices when using comments in Python. You should comment complex algorithms and logic. You should update comments when code changes. You should use docstrings for functions and classes. You should focus on why, not what the code does. And you should use clear, concise language. On the other hand, you should not comment obvious code. You should not keep commented out code long term. You should not write redundant information. You should not use comments to hide bad code. And you should not write comments that are hard to maintain. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.